Installation operation. Check if the accessories are complete after unpacking. Installation bottom corner and its accessories. Place the two bottom corners in the bottom outer hole of the machine. Align the screw with the hole and put it in. Screw on the nuts. On the other side, also align the screw with the hole and put it in. Screw on the nuts. Use a tool to tighten the screws and nuts. Put the remaining two holes into the screw and screw on the nut. Use a tool to tighten the screws and nuts. Installation of exhaust, intake pipes and their accessories. Straighten the exhaust pipe. Put a clamp on one end. Screw into the bottom mat interface. Take out the intake pipe and put a clamp on one end. Screw into the bottom in interface. Tighten the two clamps. Bend the exhaust and intake pipes higher than the bottom. Put a clamp on one end of the intake pipe. Screw the air filter into the intake pipe. Tighten the clamp. Put a clamp on one end of the exhaust pipe. Take out the silencer and screw it into the exhaust pipe. Tighten the clamp. Install heating ducts. Open the duct. Place the clamp at the duct interface. Install the air outlet interface. Tighten the clamp. Fix the heater in this position. Connect the power adapter. Remove the plastic sleeve from the plug. Remove the machine terminal position cover. Place the wire copper ring in the corresponding color and tighten it. Connect the plug to the patch panel. At this time, the power adapter is green. The switch is powered on successfully. Press the power button to turn it on. It can be used normally after booting. Use double and the terminals. Remove the machine terminal position cover. Place the positive and negative copper rings in the corresponding color and tighten them. Positive and negative copper rings. Positive and negative interfaces for connecting devices such as batteries. Make sure to use the voltage specified in the product. Switch power on. Press the power button to turn it on. It can be used normally after booting.